So I've logged into my Binance account, okay? If you look at my account, I have just 30 USDT here. What you're just going to do straight and direct when you're here is to come to this place written N, and then you click on Binance N, okay? When you come to Binance N, just scroll down, okay? This is a practical video, so I'm not going to go into theories or definitions. You can see my 30 USDT showing, okay? I'll put the amount I want to do. Let me just give you an example with 20 USDT. Your investment is protected, okay? I put this and then I click on confirm. Subscription successful. Congratulations, real-time annual percentage rate rewards will start accumulating in your N wallet every minute.
What a friend! Oriental Brothers! Tiger! Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pàdé ní méjì ló mẹjọ yìí o, nínú wa o, kíkọ́ láìkí àyà o, òrìṣàmọ́ ló kó pọ́kọ́ lẹ́lẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wa o, ewu yìí ọ̀pọ̀ YouTube o, what a friend ní kú o, brother, click subscribe o. If you do not find a way to make passive income while you sleep, I am sorry, you may have to work for the rest of your life. And that is why today I bring you a way to earn legitimate passive income online using Binance only. Most of us already know the Binance app and website, but just in case you are yet to sign up on Binance, I recommend you use the first link in my video description here on YouTube in order to gain bonuses as you do this. You can start earning with as low as $10 US, and of course, higher capital means higher earning. And I'm sure by now you will be asking, what is the risk involved? Am I going to lose my money? I am going to answer that question before the end of this video. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Waterfred1 and we are starting right now.
So you go to Binance, you head over to Binance website and you log in, okay? If you've not signed up on Binance, I'm going to leave my referral link in the video description, okay? And it's going to help you earn more bonuses when you sign up, okay? So I've logged into my Binance account, okay? And if you look at my account, I have just 30 USDT here. What you're just going to do straight and direct when you're here is to come to this place written N, and then you come to N and then you click on Binance N, okay? When you come to Binance N, just scroll down, okay? This is a practical video, so I'm not going to go into theories or definitions. If you scroll down, you will see simple N, okay? And under simple N, there are protected ones, there are high yield, and auto invest, okay? Now if you still scroll down further, you see popular coins. If you click on popular coins, you see a lot of them. My available assets, best for beginners. I recommend you stay with this best for beginners, okay? Best for beginners when you are still a beginner, okay? Yeah, you can as well, if you're also a professional in all this, you can still use best for beginners, or if you want you can use these popular coins, but I'm using best for beginners so anybody can do this for all and sundry, okay? Now if you look at the first one, this is what USDT simple N. You see the estimated annual percentage rates, okay? Yeah, and you see the duration. Now these ones are flexible, okay? 2.66%. If you want to know how much you'll be earning daily, divide this annual percentage rate by 365. 2.66 divided by 365, okay? Now you can see, now this is the percentage, the daily percentage you'll be earning daily, okay? And your investment is pretty protected, okay? So when you have your 1000 USDT here or 5000 USDT here, it is what protected. Now the only risk you have is if the USDT is falling against the US dollar. I mean, if the cryptocurrency loses value, okay? Let's say this is Ripple and Ripple goes down in value, that is the only risk you have, okay? Or if Binance shut down, which I know is not something that I think is going to happen because Binance is still #1 exchange in the whole world. But if you want something that you can earn faster and higher amounts, you know, you can come to these popular coins, and if you click here, you see high yield. Okay, this high yield, if you look at this one, you see the annual percentage rate. Look at things like this at 37.9%, and you can fix it. This is flexible. You can withdraw if you use this option anytime, and when it's flexible, the rates, you can see the rates has changed. If you fix it for 30 days, you can get this. Fix it for 60, you can get this. Fix it for 90 days, you can get this. However, these ones are risky, okay? These ones are risky investments, and your assets may diminish or may be lost. But when you use, let's say this best for beginners, you see the high yield has left, it's no longer there. and these ones are pretty much protected. Okay, so I'm going to use the flexible option so I can be able to withdraw anytime I want. Okay, and then I click on subscribe. Remember that before you do this, you are going to move your USDT. If you have funds, you are going to move your you see I have USDT, but it's writing 0 here. Let me go to my wallet overview. Now if you come here, you see that I have 30 USDT in my funding wallet. Okay, yes, it's in my funding wallet, but it is writing 0 here. Now the problem is that you have to move this. The issue is that you have to move this from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. Okay, so I click on transfer here. So once it's like this, from this place select funding, okay, and then click on this arrow. Okay, so I'm moving from my funding wallet to my fiat and spot wallet. So I come down here and select USDT because what I have is USDT. Okay, and then I click on max. Okay, so I confirm it. Here you can see transfer successful. Okay, so right now let us go again and try it. So I come down here again and then I close this. Okay, now we refreshed it. You see that what we now have what USD. You can see my 30 USDT is showing. Okay, I'll put the amount I want to do. Let me just give you an example with 20 USDT. Okay, yeah, and then you can see real-time annual percentage yield, which is this, and it can be changing. It can still be changing. Okay, anytime. Bonus 1.5%. okay, estimated daily USDT return. You can see daily estimated reward every day, and your investment is protected. Okay, you can now see I put this and then I click on confirm. Subscription successful. Congratulations, real-time annual percentage rewards will start accumulating in your N wallet every minute. Subscription amount 20 USDT. You can see this is the date, and from here and this time it will start accumulating. Okay, now if you turn on auto invest, it's going to automatically everything that you've made, both the capital and the profit, and it will keep accruing. You know what I mean? It will keep compounding if you want to. Okay, if you click on view holding. Okay, so once you are here, you click on this, and once you click on this, it's going to show everything. This is the $20 I just invested, and estimated positions, total profits, last day profits. I just did it. So after every day, after 24 hours, or after the time we were shown, is going to every single day you're going to see your profits right here. So now, of course, higher amounts is higher profits. You do 100 USDT, you're going to be seeing 100, 200, 300, 500 USDT. You are going to be seeing your profit. And since we just did this with USDT, you see that your earnings is pretty stable. Now if you want to do with other coins, just like I said before, I'm going to answer if it is risky or not. The only risk involved is when you do with a coin, let's say with other altcoins, let's say like Ripple or any other coin at all, Ethereum or any other coin. The only risk you run is if that cryptocurrency goes low in value. If the value of that cryptocurrency goes low in the crypto market, that's one. Or if Binance just closes down, which is almost an impossibility. You get what I mean? Now the coins go up and down, so I recommend you do with ones like USDT, okay, that are pretty much stable. You can as well, if you want higher earnings, go with the high yield investment, but I must have to warn you that those ones are more riskier than these ones.
Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for watching till the end. I highly appreciate that. And as well, I recommend you share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms like TikTok, etc. so that other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. As well, I recommend you do your own proper research and studies before you invest in any videos you see online relating to cryptocurrency, because there are still some level of risk that may be involved. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned. Share this video if you gained any value, and see you in the next one.